अगर आप देखते हैं कि कुछ पर्सन हैं जो हमेशा ही एक लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी में रहते हैं, एक लो मूड में रहते हैं हमेशा, एंड देयर थिंकिंग पैटर्न इज ऑल्सो वेरी नेगेटिव। उनका जो थिंकिंग पैटर्न, जिस तरह से वो सोचते हैं, वो हर चीज़ को एक नेगेटिव वे में सोचते हैं। सो दिस शोज, ये शो करता है कि उनका जो आकाश तत्व है, जो स्काई एलिमेंट है, वो बैलेंस नहीं है, वो डिस्टर्ब है। दैट इज़ वाई दे आर फेसिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम।
Good energy and good life.
Instead of starting a new video today, we'll be covering some of the points of our previous video also that are interconnected with our today's video. As we know that we have already covered the 5 elements, that is Jal, Vayu, Agni and Prithvi, water, air, fire and earth. So, in which water resembles the flow of opportunities, in which air element resembles the social connectivity, and the fire element resembles the flow of cash and liquidity or the confidence within ourselves, and the earth element, the Prithvi, that resembles the stability. So the last element which is remaining and to be discussed in this video is the sky element, the Akash Tattva, which puts up life to our thoughts, to our thinking pattern. So the 5 elements within our life and in our home, and whatever we do and what's all happening within our life, this all connects with the 5 elements. So by listening this, we got to know that how important role they play in our life, in our home, in our premises and where we work. So this video is all about sky element today, and we'll be knowing that how this sky element is playing the role. So sky element, that is Akash Tattva, it basically resembles our open-mindedness, our open thinking pattern, how we think, how openly we think, हम कितने खुले विचार से सोचते हैं, वो सब आकाश तत्व से resemble होता है. If we talk in the terms of our home, so it resembles the open to sky area, the area which is open to sky, जो खुला है area वो भी sky element को ही represent करता है. Then the sky element, as we know that it is a nature's gift, and sky element is the biggest gift within the 5 elements, so it also covers the more directions. As we compare with the other directions, the other elements direction, sky elements covers more directions as compared to the other elements. And these directions are west southwest direction, west northwest and north northwest direction. And these all directions comes in our premises. We can find them in our premises which directly resembles, which directly connects with the sky element. अगर हम nature की बात करें, if we connect this sky element with our nature, so the calmness of someone's, the positivity of someone, the aura of someone, the more positive aura they have, the more peaceful aura they have, peaceful nature they have, this shows that their sky element is completely very good, completely balanced within themselves and giving them positive results. So if we connect this sky element traits with our basic daily activity or basic daily problems we face in our life, is the saving problem. If you are listening from someone that they are unable to save despite of having a very good source of income, then also we can conclude their sky element is imbalance. अगर हम ये देखते हैं किसी को बोलते हुए कि वो सेव नहीं कर पाते और इनकी जो सोर्स ऑफ इनकम है वो भी बहुत अच्छी है, वो अच्छी होने के बाद भी दे स्पेंड ऑल द मनी, वो सब कुछ खर्च कर देते हैं और सेव नहीं, एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ दे हैव नो सेविंग्स विद इन देमसेल्व्स. सो दिस शोज दैट देयर स्काई एलिमेंट इज इम्बैलेंस. Then the another problem with the sky element is the education. The most of the parents have their complaint, have a sort of problem that their children won't study, or they study but they won't able to secure good in their curriculum. So this problem also connects with the sky element only, the Akash Tattva. Their Akash Tattva in their home and in their nature is somewhere imbalanced. Their thinking pattern is somewhere imbalanced. That is why they are facing these kind of problems. Then I have already repeated in the beginning of this video that sky element puts up life to our thought, to our thinking pattern. So it directly shows that the more efforts we put, the more gains we'll be having. But if someone is putting their 100% efforts but don't have this kind of outcomes from these efforts, so this shows that their sky element is not at all balanced. They are disrupted somewhere. अगर वो अपने एफर्ट, जितने वो एफर्ट्स लगा रहे हैं और उस हिसाब से उनको वो रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं, वो आउटकम्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं, सो दिस शोज़ कि उनका जो स्काई एलिमेंट है वो डिस्टर्ब है. और अगर हम डायरेक्शंस की बात करें, अगर हम इस प्रॉब्लम को, एफर्ट्स की प्रॉब्लम को, आउटकम की प्रॉब्लम को या फिर गेन्स की प्रॉब्लम को डायरेक्शन के साथ कन्वर्ट करें तो वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, दिस शोज दैट देयर वेस्ट डायरेक्शन इन देयर प्रीमाइसेस समवेयर डिस्टर्ब, एंड द सेविंग एंड द एजुकेशन प्रॉब्लम resembles in the terms of direction is west southwest direction. Their west southwest direction is disturbed, and the efforts problem is directly connects with the west direction in our home, and these both of these directions comes under sky element. Another point with the sky element, within the traits of sky element is the low energy, the low mood. अगर आप देखते हैं कि कुछ पर्सन हैं जो हमेशा ही एक लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी में रहते हैं, एक लो मूड में रहते हैं हमेशा, एंड देयर थिंकिंग पैटर्न इज ऑल्सो वेरी नेगेटिव. उनका जो थिंकिंग पैटर्न, जिस तरह से वो सोचते हैं, वो हर चीज़ को एक नेगेटिव वे में सोचते हैं. सो दिस शोज, ये शो करता है कि उनका जो आकाश तत्व है, जो स्काई एलिमेंट है, वो बैलेंस नहीं है, वो डिस्टर्ब है. दैट इज वाई दे आर फेसिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. And this problem connects with in our premise is in the west northwest direction. West northwest direction is the direction of low mood and depression. This shows that if someone is facing this kind of problem, so either they are sleeping in this position, in this direction, or they are having a temple in this direction. So to cope up with this problem, to resolve this kind of problem, just shift the temple from this direction and change the bedroom, change their sleeping position from there. If you take these kind of small steps, then someone can be very relieved from this problem, this low mood problem. And this also connects with the sky element only. Then the last, if we have a crux of this whole sky element, this is that a low mood problem, a depression problem, a loss of energy problem, or a saving problem, an education problem, or converting the efforts in the outcome, in the gains. If these small problems, this small activity in our daily life, if we are facing these kind of problems within ourselves, so this shows that our sky element is not at all balanced. Now what is the remedy? If you check in your west southwest direction, that something red or green theme have came, and that red and green theme can be in of any form, in an object, in the curtains, in the paint, or any negative activity is going on within this direction. And in the west direction, then again this negative activity is going on, some kind of red theme is came, some kind of green theme have came there. So this shows that they won't be having this equal results from their equal efforts they have put in. Then the last is the low mood problem. If they are sleeping in the W and W direction, or they are having a temple in this direction, or they are having a red theme there or a green theme there in any form, so this shows that they will be facing these problems within their life. So by removing these themes, the red theme, the red family or green family from these directions, and to remove the negative activity from these directions, they can have a good results from within themselves. And within our nature, if you want to have a change in our nature, so to strong the sky element, we can have positive thoughts always within our mind, and we should be very peaceful. We should not react in such a way. If we do this, if we have this kind of positive aspects towards life, then this also makes strong our sky element.